Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to go back on the grind for that large accessory bag. So I left this minion like for 2 hours right now. I accidentally it only made 56 redstone. Like, come on. Can make that in super quick. Like, wait. First of all, let's mine this redstone. But not with that pickaxe. We need our good titanium one. Oh, yes. See how much faster this goes. Dude, this titanium pickaxe can almost instant mine. Almost everything. Oh, wait, my witch mask is not. Why do I have Super Boom TNT in my hand? Oh my god. So I was thinking, let's do some more minions, but we need money. So I was like, why not do some dungeons for once and get some like good reforged stones like Necromancer's Brooch, like those stuff, and I'm gonna sell each of them like for 40k. And I'm like, that's a great idea. So why not just jump into dungeons right now, boys? Wait, I want to see how much essence I have. I need 100 wither essence to upgrade my flower of truth. Okay, so let's go and find a party at floor 1. Okay, I cannot go to this one. Refresh. I'm not sure we're refreshing. Wait, if there's no lobby, then I create a lobby. Done. Wait, let's go. Wait, look at this parkour. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Boom. What is happening? What is happening? Oh. KMH level 16. Okay, that's good. 4 players in a party, 3 of them are mage, I think. Don't tell me we are all mages. Oh, come on. All are mages. 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Boom, 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 boom. I already did a lot of damage. Ooh, there's a lost adventurer. I got the fragments. No, I didn't. Why? No! That stupid dreadlord. Okay. Oh my god, that was the stupidest start of my entire life. I didn't see the skulls that the Dreadlord or the Soul Steel was shooting. That wasn't fair, guys, okay? That was just pure unluck. Why are we all mage, first of all? Like, just why? 3, 2, 1, boom! Now I'm with my teammates, trying to climb this ladder when there's literally stairs. Wait, I heard a zombie. Ooh, okay. I hear boom. Dude, this flower truth is just too good. I'm telling you, you're dead. Tank zombie, do not mess with people that have a flower of truth. Dude, this flower of truth is just too good. Like, that is too good. Oh, I didn't see you. Ooh, you wanna die? Oh, yeah. want to die. Oh my god, I didn't see the arrows. Please. Okay. Just teleport right through them. How easy is that? Really easy. Now, please. That's it. Mine. Boom. Let's also okay. And I literally got so many revive stones right now. Okay. Let's go here. Oh, there's a lot of zombies. There's a lot of them. Oh my god, that is so much. Oh, I am literally so lucky. Oh my god, they're coming for me. They're coming. No. Oh, why did I make a baby sound? Why did I die? Just telling you, you're dead. If you kill me, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead. I tried to warn you. You're dead now. Who's the loser now, boys? Who's the loser now, huh? This, oh. Oh my god, I didn't know. Please don't kill me. Okay. We're safe. We're safe. Ooh. Blood door. Let's go. Wait, where is it? Oh, it was there. I didn't understand. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, I'm so focused right now. Oh, yes. Yes, there we go. There we go, nice. More, we need more bats. Come on. There we go. And no one dead. Even more are dead. Oh my god. Come on. Yes. This is a lot left. But I think we can clear this room all by ourselves. Come on. There you go. Nice. That one's dead. There you go. Use the ability. Okay, last one. No, this is the last one. Boom. We are going to the blood room. Oh my god, I really don't want to fight this boss. Okay, why are we not going? What are the 4 items that I have to pick up? Okay. Just going to type shut up. That wasn't fair, okay? That wasn't fair. Like, at that moment where I used my aspect of the end, that wasn't fair, okay? That just wasn't fair. Boom, let's sell all of this. I mean, we can sell the bank 1 book. I'm not sure. But still, this flower of truth needs to be upgraded. Like, how much with essence do we have now? 65. We have 102. Wait, I can actually upgrade these dragon boots. Okay. Now this 1 star, 2 star. I think that's enough. Yeah, we don't have enough. Okay, we might though do our leggings. Okay. See you guys next